Stop creating boring PPTs. Instead, prepare this. Take a blank slide, right-click, go to Format Background, select Gradient Fill, choose off-white color for the first gradient stop and grey color for the second gradient stop. Go to Type and choose Radial and select Center from Direction. Now select a rounded rectangle from the Shapes tab and insert on the slide. Go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Duplicate the shape 2 times, change the color to yellow for this shape and place it on the top of the other one. I'm just increasing the transparency to know better. So increase the size and tilt it like this. Select both the shapes, go to Merge Shape and choose Intersect. You will get a shape like this. Now go to Rotate and select Flip Vertical. Click on the rounded rectangle, go to Gradient Fill and select 2 different shades of blue color for the first and second gradient fill. Go to Direction and choose Linear Diagonal and angle 250 degree. Place the first intersected shape on the top of the rounded rectangle. Shape fill white color and increase the transparency to 66%. Now insert the second intersected shape at the bottom of the rounded rectangle. Give white color and increase the transparency to 66%. Now place a rounded rectangle on the top. Shape Outline as No Outline. Go to Gradient Fill. Select 3 gradient stops. Make it linear. Choose white color, off-white color and grey color for the first, second and third gradient stops. Direction linear up and set the angle to 270 degree. Increase the size of the rectangle so that it touches both the edges. Go to Effects option and choose Inner Inside Center. Select grey color and blur to 17 points. Choose the outer rounded rectangle. Go to Effects option and choose Outer Offset Center, blur to 15 points. Now draw a small rounded rectangle. Shape Outline as No Outline. Duplicate this shape and keep it apart. Give yellow color. Select white rectangle and then the yellow rectangle holding the Control key. Go to Merge Shades and choose Subtract. Now place the duplicated shape inside the subtracted shape. Go to Gradient Fill. Choose white and grey color for the first and second gradient stops. Go to Direction and choose Linear Down. Increase the transparency of first and second gradient fill to 74%. Now insert an oval shape and adjust its height and width to 0.8. Shape Outline white color and increase its width to 3 points. Go to Shape Fill and choose No Fill. Duplicate this outline and decrease its height and width to 0.6. Place it inside the bigger outline. Go to Gradient Fill and select Eyedropper. Place it on the white rounded rectangle. Apply it for both the gradient stops. Now select all the shapes together and press Ctrl G to group it. Duplicate 3 more times and place it like this. Assign different colors to them. Now draw a text box and write heading 01 in capital letters. Give font agency FB, font size 20. Go to Text Options. Select Eyedropper and place it on the blue color. Increase the transparency to 60%. Now duplicate the heading 3 more times and place it on the other shapes. Assign the designated colors and increase the transparency to 60%. Now draw another text box and write the content. You can give any font size according to your requirement. Go to Insert tab, choose Icon and select any 4. Go to Graphics Fill and give a grey color to it. Adjust the height and width to 0.5 and place it inside the round shape one by one. Select each shape together and press Ctrl G. Select all the 4 and drag it to the center of the slide. Now draw a text at the top and write 4-step infographics. Give font Arial narrow, font size 28, make it bold. Go to Text Options, select Gradient Fill and choose any 3 colors from the given shapes using Eyedropper. Go to Effects option, click on Shadow preset and select Offset bottom right, blur to 31 points and distance 27 points. Close the Format background. Select the main title, go to Animation tab and choose Shape Animation. Click on the first card, go to Add Animation, choose More Entrance Effects and select Peak in Animation. Then click on OK. Start after previous, duration 1.50 seconds and delay 0.50 seconds. Now, we will give same kind of animation to other three as well. So, click on the first card, go to Animation Painter and double click on it and place it on the other three. Automatically, the animation effect will be applied and then drag the painter to its original position. Now, let's click on the slideshow to see the results. Hope you liked it. Please share, comment and subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.